How to change your location on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your location on BeReal. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and then click these 3 points and then click on your profile. And once you're here, click location and now change it to any location you want. And that's it, just change it. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.